Hello everyone, this is Kautilya and today we will be talking about keyword research and we will be talking about keyword research for SEO as well as for Google search ads, or you can say the text ad. So let's start with the first SEO, then we will be seeing keyword research for Google ads. So for SEO, if I say particularly, first those who don't know what is SEO, whenever you search in Google, for example, if I go to Google and if I open a new tab, here I go to Google and if I search suppose digital marketing course, so when I search that, here you can see few results that is coming with the ad word, that is called as search ad or text ad. Below that we have this business listing, or you can say review rating page, lot of people say, or GMB, Google My Business. Then afterwards whatever we are getting here, we call that SEO results. So again, for searching keyword for this SEO results, again we will use a tool called Keyword Planner. So again we will go here and we will type Keyword Planner, and again when we search Keyword Planner, I will go and I will click on organic results here. Then I will click on go to Keyword Planner. So I already have an account. You guys will need to create the account. Once you create the account, after that you will land to this Keyword Planner page. Now for SEO purpose, we will go with the first option, discover new keywords, because for SEO we are looking for the keyword that we can rank to. So I will go here and I will click on this. Now I can search the keyword with two ways. One, start with the keyword, and second, start with a website. Now start with a keyword, we will go and we will type here, like suppose if I am looking for keyword related to digital marketing course. So once I am looking for digital marketing course, I will type that and then I will click on get results. So if I click on get results here, I can click got it, and then afterwards if I want I can see here, and if I want I can make this longer to see it. Now again after seeing it, if I want I can download that also. So I can download particularly CSV or Google Sheet, whatever. If you are using Excel, you can download it in CSV format, or suppose if I am not using, then I can download it in Google Sheet. So suppose we download it in Google Sheet, so we can download. It will take a minute to download. Then again we can click on open sheet. So once you open the sheet, you can see here the keywords. Now for SEO, if you are doing keyword research, you have to see two things. One is keyword, and again second thing will be, let me fill this with yellow color, and second thing will be average monthly searches. So what is here average monthly searches? It is a searches that people are doing on monthly basis. So again now we will try to find the word that is matching with my word, means my business or my client business or the company that I am working for, they are providing that services. So suppose my company is providing like you can say digital marketing course, so I can select this keyword and then I will see average monthly searches is 50,000, that is well and good. And then social media marketing course, yes, I will go and I will search this. Then afterwards second I will check other keywords as well that is matching with the services that I am providing or my client or company is providing. So just like that we can select the keyword and then we can see the average monthly search volume. So average monthly search volume is higher than the better the keyword is. Then afterwards here again rest parameter, if you see here 3-month change. So if it is a minus, means like there has been decrease in the search, and then again 0% means it has been no decrease, it has been constant throughout previous month. Then again year of change, same they have. Then here competition we have. So guys, always remember this competition is not for organic competition, this is for Google ad competition, like search ad competition. So whenever you have to find out competition for SEO, don't consider this. Now how I will check competition if I will not consider this? So if you don't consider this, simply suppose I am confused with the word digital marketing, or rather I will say I have to take two words among this. One is digital marketing and other one is, like you can say, online marketing. Online marketing. So I can go here and I can check here, particularly online marketing. You can see here we have that much of searches, and then again for digital marketing, if I see, you can see that much of searches we have. So clearly you can see digital marketing have like a lot of results as compared to online marketing. So what does that mean is competition for online marketing will be less as compared to digital marketing. So if I want to rank quicker that word, I will be first preferring the online marketing because I have to compete with less number of people. Then afterwards, if you see here other thing like ad impressions here, this is again for advertisement purpose. So again, if you take your mouse to here, you will be getting the definitions of that. So again, ad impressions here is the number of impression we have received divided by total number of searches of the location and network you are targeting that matches keyword exactly in the last calendar month. So again, like how many times we have come in the Google, in short, if I say in the Google ads. Then again, top of bid page, so it is for like particularly how much low range people are bidding for this and how much high range people are bidding for this. So again, what bidding? So if I search here, like suppose digital marketing course, so suppose this word, so how much people are bidding minimum and how much people are bidding higher. Then again here, if we talked about keyword, again in SEO we have three types of keyword. So three types if I say, so you can say first one is, you can say short tail keywords, then again we have medium tail keywords, and then third we have long tail keywords, So again, short tail keywords is, guys, one or two words, you can say one or two words keyword. Then here medium tail, you can say two or three words keyword, and long tail is, guys, more than three words keyword, more than three words keywords. So again, one or two words keyword, if I say, you can say that could be digital marketing, and then again two or three words keyword could be digital marketing course, it could be digital marketing course, and then three words keyword, more than three words, could be digital marketing course, COURSE, course in India. So again, this is the types of keywords. So again, we prefer to take the longer tail keyword first because it is easier to rank, it is very specific, and again like since it is a specific, so the chances of ranking is higher. Now coming to the, guys, for Google search ads, or you can say text ad. So for search ads and text ad, so again you can do two things here. First thing is same that we are searching here, so I will open. So first thing that we are searching here, the keywords, we can take that whatever average monthly searches is higher, and then second thing is I can take medium, low, high and all, and then particularly here medium means medium people are, like less people are as compared to other keyword, less people are want to advertise for that particular keyword. Low means very less competition. So here we will try to take less competitions and higher search volume. For example, if I go to here, so again suppose if I take with Google Ads, so I will keep it with red. So suppose for Google Ads, if I am telling, so what I will do, I will take this keyword basically, so let me give it red. So this I will take, and then again I will if I will other keyword like I am taking, so again this is high, I will not take that. Instead of that I will take again low. So I will go here and I will go with the low, like you can say competition keywords. So this is the difference when you take out the keywords in SEO and Google Ads or Google search ads particularly. So again other thing like you can say top of page bid and all. So again while bidding, while making search ad, we can see that and we can check that if we want to come in the top. So again we can bid the highest amount. If again we want to check, we can go with the lowest amount and we can see how we are coming up with. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video.